Right Honorable Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. K.P. Sharma Oli, His Excellency, Ambassador of China to Nepal, Honorable Member of National Assembly, distinguished guest, dear friends, dear students who are not just from Nepal but also from China, Namaste and warm welcome to all of you. Today I feel very humbled and more honored to be recognized as one of the youth who sets not just an example but become the inspiration for younger generation and generations to come. Thank you for the recognition. First of all, I'd like to thank Binod Blon and also his entire team of Phoenix Academy. Thank you so much. Along with that, today I not just stand as a Deputy Mayor of Kathmandu Metropolitan City, Nepal, but I stand in front of you as a dreamer who believes in the power of dream. Not just as a dreamer, but also as a believer who believes that youth can actually bring the real change in the society. And not just as a believer, but also the doer who speaks and also walk the same talk and do whatever her commitment is. I'm so happy to stand in front of you today. I always believe that age does not actually define the impact. What defines the impact is the purpose. So no matter how younger you are, no matter whatever you comment that you get, I always see that you can actually create the impact from wherever you are. But for that, it's so important to have the clear purpose. The purpose to serve the society, the purpose to serve the community, the purpose to serve the nation, and the purpose to serve the humanity. And I'm very hopeful. Today, I not just stand here as a believer, doer, and a dreamer, but I see a lot of believers. I see a lot of dreamers, and I see the doers in this hall. So I really would like to extend my best wishes to whatever you do, make sure that you will be in top 5 list. No matter whatever path you choose in your career, I hope that you will achieve the success. And the success will not just limit in the success of your personal growth, but also will be a success of your society and of your nation, and also will be the success in the name of humanity. So today I also would like to extend my regards to entire